What will an extra $500 do for you? Are you planning on giving yourself a treat, saving towards that vacation you've always wanted, or saving up to pay your student loan? The bottom line is that $500 is a lot of money and can take you one step closer towards achieving your financial dreams. Do you think that making an extra $500 every month is possible? If your answer was in the affirmative, then you'd have been right. Making the extra monthly income is not a herculean task. I call it a game of numbers. Why do I call it a game of numbers? Well, if you want to make $1,000 from a $1 product, you'll need to sell your product to 1,000 people. And if you want to make the same amount from a $5 product, you'll need to sell it to 200 people. Now, this is where a lot of sellers miss it. Marketing your $5 product to 200 people does not automatically mean that you will make 200 sales. As a matter of fact, you'll be lucky to make up to 50 sales from your marketing efforts. If you plan on hitting your monthly target of, say, 200 buyers, then you should be ready to market your product to about 500 or 1,000 potential customers every month. Expect to have months where you exceed your monthly target, and then there are months when you fall short. When you average your entire income, you discover that you are steadily your monthly target. With this out of the way, there are 5 practical ways to make an extra $500 every month. Number 1. Make a $1 app and sell it to 500 people. While most people choose to pay $0 for an app, billions are still being spent on paid apps. With over 2.7 billion smartphone users across the globe, it's no surprise that the industry is thriving. The industry is expected to generate around $189 billion in 2020, and you can catch in on that market. I must warn you though, unless you have some coding experience, creating a mobile app will cost you a lot of money, depending on how complex it is. Once you've gone past the hurdle of creating your app, putting a price tag of $1 and selling it to 500 people every month will generate a monthly income of $500. Once again, do you see that it is a game of numbers? If your mobile app is top-notch and users love it, you can be sure of exceeding your financial target. Since $1 is not a lot of money, customers will be more than willing to pay this amount every month if your app is truly helpful. So, you may want to also consider adopting a subscription model. Number 2. Market 10 $50 subscription packages. The subscription model of business is becoming increasingly popular. From opting for gym memberships to platforms like Netflix, Masterclass, and Amazon Prime, people are paying a premium for entertainment and convenience. I can't tell you what subscription package to start because so many industries already use this model. However, what I can say is that if you provide enough value, customers shouldn't be a problem. Just to buttress how wild or rather strange this industry can get, I stumbled upon subscription packages for animal bones, chicken food, books, cans, and air fresheners while creating content for this video. The basic idea, to make phenomenal sales, is to blow your prospect away with the quality of your offering. One technique that I have found to work well is to offer some free content to capture the attention of your audience. So, if you could come up with a valuable subscription package priced at $50, you should comfortably make $500 every month selling it to 10 persons. Number 3. Write a $10 ebook and sell it to 50 persons. Trust me, there's an ebook for virtually everything you can think of. Instead of buying hardcover books, people are learning on the go via ebooks. Selling an ebook of $10 to 50 persons every month can help you meet our monthly target of $500. The good thing about ebooks is that you don't have to be the writer. There are thousands of freelance writers who specialize in ghostwriting. With as little as $100, you should be able to employ the services of a writer and designer to do the heavy lifting. However, don't forget that quality often comes at a higher price, so do not be surprised if you find someone that agrees to collect $50 for a 3,000-word ebook and then turns around to deliver plagiarized content. You should be wary of such freelancers. If you want a fairly decent job, then you should be willing to pay the price in terms of doing your prior research for a profitable niche and then hiring a professional writer to get the job done. Number 4. Sell $20 coaching calls to 25 people. Another practical way to make $500 every month is to sell coaching calls to people. From relationship advice to sales consultations, health and fitness coaching services, there are a 1,001 people who will pay you as an expert within your niche. I know this is possible because I once charged a client $50 for a Skype call to show him how to use After Effects. So, if you create a coaching package of $20 and manage to sell it to 25 people every month, you will be making an extra $500 monthly. Number 5. Sell a $100 course to 5 people. Last on our list are courses. With programs like Skillshare, Udemy, and Coursera, you'd agree with me that learning has gone completely online. You can learn how to sing, play the guitar, or code from the comfort of your home. If you have exceptional knowledge of a particular skill, you may want to consider creating a course for it. In addition to marketing your course on these online learning platforms, you may opt to go solo and create a brand around your course. Either way, selling a $100 course to 5 people will rake in $500 every month. Like I said earlier, there are a number of ways to make an extra income of $500 every month, irrespective of what you choose to sell. Do not forget that selling is a game of numbers.